The story goes, Google, founded in 1998, had already indexed 1 billion internet URLs by June 2000 and had become the default search engine for Yahoo. What started out as a dissertation paper for two Stanford Ph.D. students would eventually grow to become one of the world's largest technology companies. Born on March 6, 1973 in Lansing, Michigan, Larry Page spent his childhood immersed in science and technology. But it would be his musical education that he would later credit for shaping his thinking. After high school, Page attended the University of Michigan and earned a Bachelor's of Science in Computer Engineering. He then enrolled in a computer science Ph.D. program at Stanford University. In the mid-90s, interest in the World Wide Web was growing. As more and more people took that leap into cyberspace, organizations from various backgrounds felt the need to have an online presence. The demand led to an increase in web pages and the need for navigational tools such as search engines, which would index websites by crawling the web. At the time when a search was made, the results were based on how many times the search term appeared on a page. So basically, if you're looking for a recipe for pulled pork, the page on which pulled pork appeared the most will be ranked the highest. At Stanford, Larry became interested in the World Wide Web and how its link structure could be graphed. This would become the theme for his dissertation. He focused on the problem by determining the value of the information within a page as opposed to how many times a word or phrase was repeated. Hypertext is what gives the World Wide Web its flexibility. It allows the user to move from one page to another by simply clicking a word or string of words that is embedded with a link. Larry decided that a page's value will be determined by the number of pages which link back to it. Basically, how well known is that page among the other pages. But there is a catch. Not all linkbacks are created equally. Avoiding a great deal of math, let's look at it this way. Say in a job interview, candidate A has 10 references and candidate B only has 1. But the one reference that candidate B has is Bill Gates himself. Now knowing this, we can make a fair assumption who's going to get the job. It's the same for Page's system. Linkbacks from certain sites would carry more weight than others. Another Stanford Ph.D. student, Sergey Brin, would join the project, which was nicknamed Backrub. Together the two would author a research paper titled The Autonomy of Large-Scale Hypertext Web Search Engine. Page and Brin would go on to build a simple search page, which was powered by whatever computer parts they could get their hands on. The search page grew in popularity, and in August of 1996, the first version of Google appeared on the internet. As for what came after, well, that's just history.